A hearty welcome to one and all. I'm Rohini Batwal from Gokli Education Society's JD English Medium High School with 8th standard science subject, and my topic is human body and organ system. Students, can you recall from what the organs and organ systems are made up of? Which organ systems are present in human body? Students, in the last class, we have studied some characters of living organisms. All the vital processes which are essential properties of living beings are collectively called as life processes. Can you tell students which processes occur in our body during sound sleep? And which life processes occur continuously in our body? Students, different organs in our body are working in group as to smoothly carry out various life processes. These life processes takes place in the various steps. Specific organs carry out the specific steps. Groups of organs working together to perform a specific function is called as organ system. Various organ systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, nervous, excretory, reproductive, skeletal, muscular, etc. are functioning in our body. Can you recall, students? Which different organ perform the functions of breathing in the body of animals? Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. Energy production occurs within the cells. Cells need the supply of soluble nutrients and oxygen for this purpose. This supply takes place with the help of respiratory and circulatory systems. Respiration is carried out through following three steps. The first is external respiration, second is internal respiration, and the third is cellular respiration. Let us move towards the first, that is external respiration. That is consists of two: inspiration, that is inhalation, second is expiration, means exhalation. See the first, inhalation. Air is taken in through nose and sent towards the lungs through trachea or windpipe. And exhalation means oxygen from the inspired air goes into blood. Blood carries the carbon dioxide with various parts of body towards lungs. This air is given out by exhalation. Both of these processes occurring with the help of lungs are collectively called as external respiration. Let us see the second, internal respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from blood into tissue fluid and carbon dioxide moves from tissue fluid into blood. Let us move towards the third, cellular respiration. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burned, that is oxidized, with the help of oxygen, and energy is released in the form of ATP. Waste materials like carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced during this process. Cellular respiration can be summarized as follows. See the equation, students. C6H12O6 plus 6O2. It gives rise to 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water plus energy, that is 38 ATP.
Respiratory system structure and function. And the respiratory system consists of first nose, second pharynx, third windpipe, fourth lung, and the last one is diaphragm. Let us see the first nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with the nose. Air is filtered with the help of hair and mucus present in the nose. Pharynx. Food pipe and windpipe originate in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in front of the food pipe. There is a lead at the beginning of windpipe. This lead closes the windpipe during passing of food into food pipe and therefore normally prevents the entry of food particle into windpipe. Otherwise, windpipe remains open. Hence, air passes through pharynx into windpipe. Let us see the third, that is windpipe. Windpipe is swollen at the beginning due to sound box. Windpipe bifurcates in the thorax. One branch enters the right lung and the other into left lung. Next is lungs. A lung is present on either sides of a heart in thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs. And they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double layer covering. It is called as pleura. Lungs are elastic like a sponge. Lungs are made up of many small compartments called as alveoli. A rich network of capillaries is present around each alveolus. Walls of alveoli and capillaries are extremely thin. Gaseous exchange can easily take place across these thin walls. As a large number of alveoli is present in lungs, larger surface is available for gaseous exchange. Let us see then what is exchange of gas in lungs. Gases exchange occurs continuously while blood is circulating around the alveoli. An iron containing protein hemoglobin is present in the RBCs of blood. Hemoglobin absorbs the oxygen from air within alveoli. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide and water vapor move from blood into the alveoli. Thus, oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide and water vapor are removed from the blood and given out by exhalation. Let us see fifth, diaphragm. A muscular partition is present at the base of thoracic cage. This partition is called an diaphragm. It is present between the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Simultaneous rising up of ribs and lowering of diaphragm causes the decrease in pressure on the lungs. Due to this, air moves into the lungs through nose. When ribs return to their original position and diaphragm rises up, pressure on the lungs increases. Due to this, air moves out from it through nose. Continuous upward and downward movement of diaphragm is necessary to bring about the breathing. Students, here we have finished the first, that is respiration. See you again in the next video, students. Take care. Bye.